If you download games on GOG and want to stop the app from using all of your internet speed, you can set a download bandwidth limit in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you're gaming, streaming, working, or just want to keep your connection stable while GOG is downloading in the background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the GOG app on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look over to the left-hand menu. You'll see a small cog icon there, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click that. After you open Settings, you should see a list of tabs on the left side of the Settings window. Make sure you click the tab labeled Installing, Updating. This is the section where GOG keeps all the download and installation related options, so this is the correct place to change bandwidth controls. Now that you're in the right tab, scroll down through the settings until you find the bandwidth limit option. You may need to go a little lower on the page depending on your screen size, but once you see it, you'll notice there's a toggle or checkbox to enable bandwidth limiting. Turn bandwidth limit on and then enter the MB/S value you want to use. This number controls how much of your internet speed GOG is allowed to use while downloading or updating games. For example, if you want downloads to run slower so other apps stay responsive, just type it in a lower value. If you want faster downloads but still some control, choose a higher limit that fits your connection. Once you've entered the value, the settings should apply right away. From that point on, GOG will follow the bandwidth cap you set, helping you manage downloads without overwhelming your network. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to set a game download bandwidth limit in GOG. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference if you want smoother browsing, better streaming, or more consistent gameplay while downloading. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.